Good morning, everybody. So, because of buying all the standing rib roast at my Publix for $6.99 a pound, I had to make some room. I had bought the turkeys from Publix for 39 cents a pound at Thanksgiving, and so I'm going to be making a turkey today. So I got the skin pulled up inside. I got the butter, and then I'm about to season it. So this is what I usually always do. And then I got the melted butter that I put on top, and that helps my spices that I put on. And I never have the same spices twice. Anyway, everybody always asks me for my recipe on stuff. It's like that's kind of not how I cook. I just kind of make things and throw things together. But I also have some beef tallow here from the pan, an air fryer pan that I'm sticking on top too, and then I will stick it in the oven for probably 4 or 5 hours. So we'll be having turkey. I'll probably have to have some beef to make me feel good because turkey doesn't give me enough fat. All right, have a great day.